You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because of this invisible system you're trapped in. If you don't understand it, you'll never escape. Most people work 40 hours a week only to run out of money before the month ends. They survive but never build. And the scariest part? They think it's normal. Wealthy people don't think in terms of income. Instead of asking, how can I make more money? They ask, how can I make my money work for me? They think in terms of assets. 1. Track every dollar. What you measure, you control. Broke people guess. Wealthy people track. 2. Build leverage, not labor. Stop selling time. Start building things that sell without you: content, digital products, systems. 3. Invest early, not big. You don't need $10,000. You need time and consistency. Start small, stay steady. Wealth isn't just money. It's freedom. It's time. It's control. The broke stay broke because they trade time for money. The wealthy build systems that buy their time back. If you want to escape the paycheck trap, subscribe. I'll teach you how to build wealth without showing your face. Start your journey.